Okay, so in this video I'll show you how to replace a cabin air filter for your 2012 Honda Accord. And basically what you do, you come on to the passenger side here by the glove box. You open the glove box. There's this little thing that's holding up the glove box. You just push this back, you disconnect it, and then you just press this side and this side at the same time, and you pull it down. So like this, and here we are. And next, once you see the cabin air filter, you pull on this, push this in, and in this side also. If you do both hands, it's a little easier, and it'll pull out like so. Oh my goodness, this is very dirty. Oh wow. Okay, and then we'll put in the new one. Oh, this is really dirty. I wasn't expecting to see it like this. I don't think this has been ever replaced, ever. This looks pretty nasty. I'm gonna try to clean this as best as I can, and then put in a new one. Wow. We'll go ahead and install a new one. This is the one that I got. This is a little more expensive, gonna be like $29 or so at AutoZone. And this is the part number right here if you wanna get the same one. This one is CAF1781M. And so hopefully we'll get much better airflow and also fresh air. So with this new air filter, you also get some directions here to shows you how to install it properly. And so based on these instructions, the arrows to show the airflow. And basically this one's supposed to go resemble the same sort of diagram as that's in the tray. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to remove this tray. Like so. And this one also shows the same diagram. Arrows pointing down. I'm gonna set this right here. Up a little bit, and we'll just set this inside here. It's a pretty easy job. I guess the hardest part is just locating the air filter and knowing how to get the glove box out of the way. And so basically just gonna make sure this is seated properly. And just slide it back in there. Make sure that the arrows are pointing down. And this clips into place. And this goes inside. You just push it up until it latches here. And here, this one, I'm gonna push this up a little bit. And just with your index finger, you can just and just so just push it up a little bit, and with this index finger, you pull it this way and until it latches. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I appreciate all the likes and subscriptions. Much appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next video.